Everyone, welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to keep standby mode on iPhone. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your iPhone setting and from here scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on software update, and from here what you need to do it update your iPhone. After update your iPhone on iOS 17, go back your home screen, go back and open your again setting, click on this, and from here scroll down, search for this standby mode, click on this. What you need to do it turn on this toggle standby mode. After turn on this toggle, go back and shut down your mobile and enter your charging cable. You as can see, keep standby mode. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.